Okay, so welcome back to my set review series. Today, we will be learning about set relationships. Okay, so set relationships. So, basically, ito ay nag-describe lang natin, no? Kung ano yung relationship ng two sets, no? Two or more sets. So, first is equivalent, no? Sinasabi natin na equivalent yung dalawang set if yung sets ay may same number of elements. Okay, so for example, we have sets A and B. Yung cardinality ng A ay equal sa cardinality ng B. So yun lang yun, equivalent, same number of elements. Next is we say equivalent equal, okay? Equal kapag ka all elements in A is in B and vice versa. Okay, so basically, lahat ng elements ng A ay nandun sa B and lahat ng elements ng B ay nasa A. Basically, if yung A ay equal sa B. Okay, so for example, A may laman na 1, 2, 3. Then yung B ay laman niya rin ay 2, 1, 3. Okay, so lahat ng elements ay parehas. E di, ang tawag sa A and B ay equal sets. Okay? So next is subsets. Okay? So kapag sinabi natin na subset, basically a portion, no, of a set. Okay? So we say na M is a subset of P if every element in M is in P. Okay? So, yan yung pinaka-basic natin na definition. So, anong pinagkaibahan niya sa equal? So, ang pinagkaibahan niya sa equal is, kapag ka-subset, yung isang set lang yung dapat nagko-contain ng every element doon sa isang set. Okay? So, a good example of this is, for example, yung P natin ay equal sa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then yung M natin, ang laman lang niya ay yung mga even numbers, no? So 2, 4, and 6. We say na M is a subset of P. So yung notation natin of subsets is parang C na may underline. Okay? So we have types of subsets, no? So two types of subsets. First is the proper. Okay? So ang proper subset ay if there is at least one element in let's say two sets B, no, that is not in A. Okay? So yan yung proper subset. Yung next naman is improper. Okay? So basically ang improper is all elements in A are in B. Okay? So for example, I have the set A. Let's say equal siya sa A, C, Z, K, Q. Okay? So, yung proper subset, so let's call B as a proper subset. So, A, C, and Z. Okay? So, B is a proper subset of A. Pero, kunyari, C, meron kang subset na C, A, Z, K, Q. Okay? So, basically, all elements ng C ay nasa A. So, next na kailangan natin matutunan is the power set. Okay? This is number 4, power set. So, ang power set ay written as P, no? Madalas P of A, no? So kung A, kung ano mang pangalan ng set. Basically, power set is the set that contains all, okay, take note, all subsets of A, no? So kung whatever set natin. So, for example, I have the set A and ang elements niya ay 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So, yung power set ng A, we represent it as all subsets of A. So, take note na sets dapat yung laman ng set. Okay? So, also take note na an empty set is a subset of the set itself. Okay? So, we have the subset, then you have the sets ng tigi-isang laman. So, 1, 2, and 3, and then yung sets of pairs, no? So you have 1, 2, you have 2, 3, and you have 1, 3. And then yung the set itself. So set 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so yan ang power set. Basically, the set of all subsets of the set itself. Okay? It's good to take note na ang power set, okay, so ang cardinality, so I use this notation, cardinality ng power set ay equal sa 2 raised to n. No? So where n is the cardinality of A or kung ano man pangalan ng set mo. Okay? Next thing that we need to learn about sets, okay, are set operations. Okay? So we have operations sa sets just like operations on numbers na we add, subtract, di ba? So the first operation is union. Okay? So union, we denote as a parang U. Okay? Pero it's not technically a U. So basically, union is a set, no, that has the combined elements of two sets, no? So for example, yung set natin A and B. Okay? So we denote union by A and then yung the symbol B. Okay? So pagka sinabi natin A union B, makakakuha tayo ng set na may combined elements ng two sets. So for example, I have set A to be equal to 1, 2, 3. Then set B to be 3, 4, and 5. Take note na pagka kumukuha tayo ng union, kinukuha lang natin yung unique. Okay? Unique elements. Okay? Take note of that. Unique dapat siya. So, ang A union B, okay? A union B ay equal sa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Hindi siya equal siya sa 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Okay? We only get 3 ones. Okay? Next na operation natin is the intersection. And kabaliktaran siya ng union, so yung notation natin ay kabaliktaran din yung union. No? So parang curved down na U. So basically, ang intersection ay basically a set na nagko-contain ng mga common elements in the set A and B. Okay? So using the same set na A and B, ang A intersection B ay equal lang sa 3 kasi yun lang yung common element between the two sets. Okay, so this ends our video for today. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments down below. See you again next time.